Look at the size of those bearings.
Something that was
Oh, wait.
unimaginable when we were kids. Like,
It's time to 3D print. So today we're going to be 3D printing this mini stacking box. It's just a parts bin, that's all it is. I've already shrunk his file. By the way, his file is in the video description below. And let's see if I can operate this with one hand. You can see this is just a parts bin. What it looks like. It's gonna take 45 minutes and it has 144 layers. Now, his box I always do it on the slow for high detail. And we're just gonna type in, just a random number. So before, it would take 5 hours and 32 minutes, and it has 374 layers. So that tells you how much I've shrunk this thing to. So let's get started. And it is done. Check this out. This is the smallest parts bin I've ever seen. Pretty cool. To reference the size, this is a dime. Alright, the link is in the bottom in the video description of where I got this guy's file from. And I just shrunk it down because this was probably a little bit bigger. And that's it. Quality is great. It's awesome. Now I can have my own mini bin. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.